Hello everybody, my name is Gabriela Rodriguez. I'm from Peru and I've been working online for many years. Every year there comes a new bunch of apps, and today I wanna share one app that is being very successful with my students and with my teaching. Okay, so using movies, we have an app for movies. Okay, and let educators creativity fly and land on a highly motivated class. Okay? As we know, everybody loves movies and we have our preferences. Some people like romance, other action, other maybe comedies, documentaries, anything. So here we have what you really like. What are the benefits? Using an app, you can practice 24 hours, 7 days a week, wherever. You learn vocabulary, idioms, grammar in contests. You are exposed to the target language 100%. You enjoy watching your favorite movie while learning. No fear of making mistakes. Be engaged to the interests and needs of the students. And that is how we build self-confidence. Nobody's going to judge you. And you'll end up improving your level of English. Okay, so the app that I'm going to teach you how to use today is Lingopie. You can use on a cell phone, download the app in the iPhone or in Android. You can also use very well on your PC in your classroom or on a laptop with your students or at the student's house. Okay, so this is the link and let's see how ideas. With this, watching a movie or little clips, you can ask your students to act out small parts to learn the transcript, the dialogues, and they can practice a few lines of conversation and use your own words. You can assign a movie for all the class and they can exchange ideas in the class ideas. Okay? First you have to install the the app. Okay? In the PC you don't have to install it. Just put the link that I gave you and you will work very easily. Choose your movie according to the teacher's direction. If the teacher says we're gonna see this movie, you can see the movie that the teacher proposes, or you can pick your own movie. Remember, it's open 24/7. Okay, and then you have the catalog, and you choose the movie are like for basic, intermediate, pre-intermediate, and advanced. Choose your favorite movie, and then you start watching it. You start listening to it, and also you can check grammar, you can learn new vocabulary, and you can rehearse pronunciation. Here you have a microphone. This microphone, when you activate it, you start recording your voice. Okay, another characteristic is you record your voice and there is an immediate feedback will tell you how you did it. If your pronunciation is right or is a little to be improved, it will tell you. And during the movie, you pick the movie that you like. In this case, the name of the movie is Joseph. And during the script, while they are speaking, you can choose new words and they can create your vocabulary. This is a vocabulary flashcard. Okay, so you pick one word and then you will listen to it in the same video, and then you have some all the new words that you have listed during that video. Okay, at the end of the session, it can be 20 minutes, 15 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day. Depends how much you need it. You have flashcards, you have pop quiz, and you have play word master. This is amazing because you continue practicing the whole time that you are in your app. Easy to install. Conclusions. Easy to install. You can download the app on your cell phone, iPhone or Android, no problem. Learning will choose the movie according to their levels and preferences. Okay? If I am very basic, I'm gonna choose something very short, language slow. You create your own vocabulary cards. For the new words that come across to you, you can write down and create your vocabulary cards. You can record your voice and the judges will tell you how you did it. So you will correct immediately. Feedback is given immediately. Price approximately $6 a month. You can record yourself as many times as you want. The advantage is that if you register as a school, you have the chance to have an administrator, to have a teacher, coordinator, and the students. So thank you so much. This is a really, really useful app. My students love it. You can use only online, you can use blended in the classroom, but I'm so happy that you can get to know a little about the app that I'm using with my students. Okay, thank you very much.